wò pé iṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá là ń ṣe.
èmi nígbà tí iṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá bàbá yìí náà ṣe fídíò èmi náà máa ṣe fídíò tèmi mi ti àti ṣe bíbí CCTV nílé ẹ jẹ́ kí ṣe fídíò yẹn.
ó ti ṣe everything.
You guys should please, I beg. I just.
Lagos Chief Magistrate collided with Nigeria police and made order to include drug tests on Afrobeat singer Seun Kuti. The Lagos State Chief Magistrate in Yaba Court, Mrs. Adeola Olatubosun, has amended her order and granted the Nigeria Police Force request to include drug tests on Afrobeat musician Seun Kuti, in the bid to find criminal evidence on him. It was learned that the Nigeria police took Seun Kuti to court again on Thursday to seek magistrate permission to hold him for another more days without informing the musician lawyer. Seun Kuti was rushed back to the court by the police to get 4 more days extension to include more investigation. Meanwhile, human rights activists and former presidential candidate Omoyele Sowore on Friday accused the Nigeria police of seeking revenge and not justice.
ẹ wò pé iṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá là ń ṣe.
èmi nígbà tí iṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá bàbá yìí náà ṣe fídíò èmi náà máa ṣe fídíò tèmi mi ti àti ṣe bíbí CCTV nílé ẹ jẹ́ kí ṣe fídíò yẹn.
ó ti ṣe everything.
You guys should please, I beg. I just.
ẹ wò pé iṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá là ń ṣe.
èmi nígbà tí iṣẹ́ ọlọ́pàá bàbá yìí náà ṣe fídíò èmi náà máa ṣe fídíò tèmi mi ti àti ṣe bíbí CCTV nílé ẹ jẹ́ kí ṣe fídíò yẹn.
ó ti ṣe everything.
You guys should please, I beg. I just.
This is OĽUA TV Watch. Don't forget to subscribe, comment your opinion, like, comment and share so that other people can get access to what you enjoy on our channel. Thank you. We love you.